Behind me you can see there's a whole line of police and cars.
They're only letting them out in fives because we've got 5 groups of police here with 5 armed officers
checking them all
every car and then letting them go.
That they hired out Gloucester Manor for. Turned out there was one big music video. A couple of gangs turned up from other places. There was shooting. 2 people shot as a guy stabbed and beaten.
Different gangs turn up, so it's a gang feud.
And they've all seen gunshots going off, people getting beaten up and whatever.
White t-shirt and just blood everywhere.
Suddenly the road was filled with police.
The police would check each car, about 5 policemen on each car, checking the boots and inside the car, and checking the occupants, the pockets and things in case they were concealing something, even checking under the bonnet.
Watford Observer. I think you take one Watford. Do you want the inside story?
Got a little informer there.
Yeah, I know the whole story. I think they're letting that go because the people are in
fucking put that charger, you thought, yeah, it's that old charger and that. She got the laser now, and there's a fucking new charger with clips in properly, innit? You fucking yanked it out and next minute it fucking dropped it. Set out here, yeah, exactly, and then it's gone. Oh, I can see a fucking light.
Gus, man, she's too much.
Yeah, but what are we going to do? She's getting rooted up by fucking...
Police have blocked roads on both directions. Down that road over there, there's basically a party where it's gone off. A load of people from London. All the cars coming out and being checked. Basically, I believe, for weapons. They're letting out about 4 or 5 cars at a time, checking them all. The fire service have come out with their emergency lighting.
Was watching the football at home in Abbots Langley last night when there was a banging on his front door. Outside was a man asking for help. He'd been shot.
Totally closed, I'm afraid.